#1 rated essence toner on Amazon now. Like, it's that good. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my newest favorite skincare line from Amazon. So if you guys know me or have watched my channel or watched my videos, you know I'm pretty skincare obsessed. I love trying new things, but once I find things that work for me, I'm hooked, and I am a chronic repurchaser. Like, you guys know this about me. And in my previous empties video, the last one that I just did, which I'll throw up in the cards, I had ran out of like my essence toner. And I know I've said in the past that they're not like 100% necessary, but for me and my skin tone, and like not my skin tone, my skin type, I suffer from dry, like I can get very dehydrated skin. So a toner just kind of make my skin feel, you know that feeling after you wash your face, if your skin feels like tight? It instantly alleviates that and just makes it so just plump and glowy. So I really like essence and toners for that reason. So that's the product that started this whole video. So when I ran out of my previous toner, I ran over to Amazon, as one does, and I'd heard a ton of stuff about this brand. This brand is Numbuzin. It's because they do like a numerical skincare line, which is, I heard all about this on TikTok from also other people on YouTube who review Korean skincare. This brand is from Korea, which I love Korean skincare. You guys know I spent a lot of time over in Japan, and I dabbled a lot in skincare because I just feel like they're just so far ahead, and their prices are incredible for how much research and development that goes into their products. I'm just like blown away. And when I can find a really good swap for or a reason to add in a Korean skincare product into my routine, like, done deal, I'm going to. And this one is one of their I think this is actually the #1 rated essence toner on Amazon now. Like, it's that good. This is their super glowing essence toner, and it's #1 for a reason. Kind of like a more viscous, it's not like straight liquid, but it's also not a serum, like a thick serum. It's like kind of got a jelly consistency, and I'm in love with it. So I just take this, rub it in between my hands, and like you can already tell, like you'll see my skin kind of looks a little bit dry, tight, I need water kind of way, you know what I mean? So when I put this on, it's like that instant relief that brings that moisture, brings that glow back into my skin. So of course I have acne prone skin, and I deal with acne. It just depends on the time of month. I have noticed a pretty significant difference since using this, that my skin just feels much more balanced and therefore is breaking out a little bit less, besides when it's like my time of the month. But another big thing I notice is when I do get breakouts, like I had 2 down here and then I had 2 on my forehead within this month, they go away so quickly. And I think it's like the fermented products in here that kind of just help heal the skin and bring it back to its like homeostasis. It's good, just like pH balance, and feels good. And I feel like this helps kind of heal those breakouts a little bit faster, which I'm here for. Just helps my skin look glowier throughout the day. A lot of you guys had been mentioning, and I did show my recent updated foundation routine, but you all know that foundation looks good over good skin, and I think this helps just set that base of just like hydration and that plumpness and that glow from this essence that I feel like it carries through with me throughout my day and just helps my makeup last and wear and look so much more glowier and almost like glowing from within. We all know that skincare takes a while to see results, but I've already seen results. I've been using this, oh God, maybe 6 weeks now. Having like 50 fermented like product ingredients in here. It's basically like kombucha for your face. It also has niacinamide in it, which niacinamide is you're initially getting that glowy complexion all over, but niacinamide actually works to actually like target those hyperpigmentation, stop them from spreading, diminish the look of those pigmentation, which is whether it's sunspots, whether it's acne marks, whatever the case may be. I use it morning and night. This lays perfectly underneath makeup. It's not too thick, not too anything. If I use a niacinamide serum underneath makeup, it can tend to pill. This does not pill on me, which is why I love this for the daytime. So after I go in with the super glowing essence toner, I go in with this guy. So you guys know, like I said, I have super highly acne prone skin, and targeting hyperpigmentation. Once the breakout happens, it's inevitably gonna happen. I want to make that dark spot go away as quick as possible. So they have this guy, which their Goodbye Blemish serum. This has kind of, you guys know, I know I'm all over, I try so much good skincare. I had mentioned in a previous favorites video, the little Hero lightning wand, that like stick that I like, but I can only use it at night because it's very sticky and it's not really like, I can't wear it under makeup because it gets kind of gross. It works well, but I feel like this has very similar ingredients and works just as well, but I can use it morning and night. It doesn't like pill up under my makeup. It's not sticky at all. It goes on so smooth, and again, just is glowy. So when I do get a post acne breakout, because I'm a picker, I do get like the redness, and I feel like this helps it because it does again have niacinamide and vitamin C. And if you suffer from pretty acne prone skin, a lot of vitamin C's can actually irritate and make breakouts worse. So I feel like this doesn't irritate my skin, and in fact doesn't make it break out worse. It contains panthenol, which helps kind of like calm down any inflammation if I have an active breakout. I feel like there are so few products for acne on the market that like don't dry your skin to oblivion. Like if I have to use, like when I've used like benzoyl peroxide in the past, it would like just destroy my skin in the worst possible way. Like my skin barrier would just suffer so bad from it. Like it would get rid of the acne, but like it would take a week to then get rid of the dry patch around it. So I feel like this product helps with my acne, helps with the leftover if I do in fact get a breakout, but it also just is more gentle, that I feel like I can use it on a day-to-day basis for prevention, but also it's not going to disrupt the barrier of my skin because it's made for sensitive skin. So absolutely love this product. And if you're suffering, let's say you're a little bit more mature, or you just have dry skin and you can't use the typical acne products that are found on the market, give this one a go. So specifically, I use this product every morning, and I also use it on my like recovery nights because it only has vitamin C and niacinamide in it, no acids or anything like that. So I feel like it's great for recovery nights as well. All right, so the last product I want to talk to you guys about from Numbuzin is their daily multivitamin cream. This is like if you're a girl who just wants something to do it all, you're not somebody who loves a 10-step skincare routine, then you just want something that's like wham bam, thank you ma'am, like morning, night, it's got it all, and it has literally everything you need in it. This is it. This is your just like one-stop shop. Now I still like my 20-step skincare routine because it's like, it's self-care for me more than anything, but I still love this cream. It has literally everything in it. So first of all, you can kind of see, I tried to do a close-up, you can see the little microspheres in there. Though all those little beads within it, that's where you contain all of the vitamins. So you can see they have panthenol, which I already mentioned. I love panthenol. It's got vitamin B5, it's got retinol, which is vitamin A, obviously vitamin C, niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. This is great for my hyperpigmentation, my dry skin, and then skin barrier. I think that is such a buzzword nowadays, and it's so important because a lot of us have ruined our skin barrier from not properly using products that are too strong for us or not right for us, and this helps with skin barrier repair. So if you don't know which skincare cream to get, I would definitely highly recommend this one. Again, you can use it morning and night. Vitamin C in the morning is obviously great. It helps boost the efficacy of your sunscreen. I don't know if you read a lot of the back of your skincare ingredients. If you turn and learn your ingredients, I learned that from Cassandra Banks, and she is amazing. Really good at kind of breaking down what each product does, what ingredients do, and why it's best for you. And the number one ingredient on most skincare is water. So I'm not saying that skincare products shouldn't contain water, they totally should. They actually replaced almost 65% of the purified water that's in most creams and anything like that with kakadu, hopefully I'm saying that right, plum extract, which is a fruit that contains like, it's the highest concentration of vitamin C within a plant. So again, it's just like everything you could need. And for me specifically, for my hyperpigmentation, this has been a dream. So these are my top 3 products from Numbuzin. If you haven't checked them out, run over to Amazon. I swear you will be, I mean, you'll see, the reviews don't lie. You guys know I'm always down to try new products. I love that their serums come in glass bottles, and I just love the numeric system where it's like once you find a line that works best for you, you can just buy with what's in that like numeric line. So these are my top 3 favorites, but I do have 2 super honorable mentions that I've been obsessed with. You guys know I'm not normally a cleansing balm girly, but this, I've gone through it. This I think launches this month, or it just launched like in the US soon. It's the Pore and Makeup Cleansing Balm with tea tree and charcoal. This is amazing if you have congested skin. It helps break down that makeup and really decongest my pores. And then this. I love anything hydrating, like I said, but this is their Deep Sleep Serum Mask. So again, if you're looking for some other recommendations, definitely let me know in the comments down below. If there's a product that you are on the fence about or want to know a little bit more about, let me know, because I've tried quite a bit and I'm very obsessed with skincare. So if you've never tried out Korean skincare, if you've never tried out Numbuzin, you really need to. And this is the first product that I would definitely try. I think this would fit perfectly in any skin concerns that you have. This would target them, but I think they just make amazing, really great products for those sensitive skins, and they target the deep issues. So if acne isn't an issue for you, girl, they've got a bunch of other different products. So go ahead and browse Amazon, but I will have the direct links to the products that I mentioned here in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If there's any other brands that you'd like me to review on my channel, let me know. And if you have any other specific questions about Numbuzin, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.